Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about why the Earth is tilted and why it's important for us to understand this phenomenon. Have you ever wondered why we have seasons or why the length of daylight varies throughout the year? The answer lies in the Earth's tilt. The main purpose of this video is to explain what causes the Earth's tilt, its consequences, and how it affects our planet's climate and weather patterns. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this important concept in astronomy and how it affects our daily lives. Before we delve into the causes and effects of the Earth's tilt, let's define what it is. The Earth's tilt refers to the angle between its rotational axis and the perpendicular to the plane of its orbit around the Sun. The tilt is measured at approximately 23.5 degrees. Now, you might be wondering, what does this have to do with seasons? Well, the Earth's tilt is responsible for the variation in the amount of sunlight different parts of the planet receive throughout the year. As the Earth orbits the Sun, different parts of the planet are exposed to varying amounts of sunlight, resulting in the changing of seasons. For example, during the summer solstice, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun, resulting in longer days and shorter nights, and warmer temperatures. On the other hand, during the winter solstice, the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the Sun, resulting in shorter days, longer nights, and cooler temperatures. So the Earth's tilt is not only an interesting phenomenon, but it's also responsible for the changes in weather and climate that we experience throughout the year. Now that we know what the Earth's tilt is and how it affects our planet, let's explore what causes this phenomenon. There are several theories on what caused the Earth's tilt, but one of the most widely accepted ones is the giant impact hypothesis. According to this theory, a Mars-sized object collided with early Earth, causing debris to be ejected into space. This debris eventually coalesced to form the Moon, and the impact also caused the Earth's axis to tilt. Another theory suggests that the Earth's tilt is a result of the gravitational influence of other celestial bodies, such as the Sun and planets in our solar system. As the Earth orbits the Sun, the gravitational pull of these bodies affects its rotational axis, causing it to tilt. These factors, along with other astronomical events, have contributed to Earth's current tilt of 23.5 degrees. While the exact cause of the Earth's tilt may still be a topic of debate among scientists, what is clear is that this tilt is responsible for seasonal changes and climate patterns that we observe on our planet. The Earth's tilt has a significant impact on our planet's climate and weather patterns. One of the most notable effects of the Earth's tilt is its impact on the length and daylight of the seasons. As we mentioned earlier, during the summer solstice, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun, resulting in longer days and shorter nights. Conversely, during the winter solstice, the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the Sun. Conversely, during the winter solstice, the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the Sun, resulting in shorter days and longer nights. This variation in daylight hours and sunlight intensity throughout the year causes the seasonal changes that we observe on our planet. The tilt causes variations in the angle at which sunlight strikes different parts of the Earth, resulting in differences in temperature and weather patterns. This is why regions near the equator tend to be warmer and more humid, while regions near the poles tend to be colder and more dry. Furthermore, our Earth's tilt also affects ocean currents and wind patterns, which play a crucial role in our planet's climate. For example, the tilt causes the Intertropical Convergence Zone, ITCZ, a region of low pressure near the equator, to shift north and south throughout the year, causing monsoon seasons in certain regions. So there you have it. We've learned about the Earth's tilt, what causes it, and the consequences of this phenomenon. We now know that the Earth's tilt plays a crucial role in understanding our planet's seasonal changes, climate patterns, ocean currents, and wind patterns. Without this tilt, life on Earth, as we know it, would not exist. Understanding the Earth's tilt is not only important for our understanding of astronomy, but also for the understanding of Earth's natural phenomena. By studying the Earth's tilt, we can better predict weather patterns, climate changes, and ultimately work towards creating a more sustainable future for our planet. So next time you're enjoying a warm summer day or shoveling snow in the middle of winter, remember that it's all thanks to Earth's tilt. If you have any questions or comments about the Earth's tilt or any other topic in astronomy, I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Also, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about astronomy, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. I release new educational astronomy videos every single week. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.